Hello, Longisa. Now I'm gonna go to this one next. I don't know how to pronounce, but we're gonna keep going and some beautiful mountain as usual. Hawaii has so much beautiful thing. Yếp na đào na Hawaii mình mua tỏi béo rồi nhưng béo mà nhàn tận hang chạy thái tập trung nó. Yếp muốn tồn tại có cái xe muốn nhớ tận hang we just had the pungwa kasi munwa. Look at this, so beautiful. I don't know what's that yellow thing, but it's so cute. Okay, flower, lots of flower. Okay, stop ahead. Oh, garden open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. by minutes. Slow down. Look at how beautiful inside the gardens. They not allow you to take picture or 50 miles per hour, do not pass each other. They don't want you to take picture on the side of the road, okay? Because it's too dangerous. So we don't do that. Look at this tropical, so beautiful. I mean, wish I have a house out here. So we have to drive 1 mile to get to the tops, I believe. Oh, wow, look at all this. Banana have no banana yet. Mango have lots of mango trees. One way in, one way out. These people are coming back. You see banana tree on my right? Yep, that's banana tree, but no banana. And then they put lots of bumps so that you don't go speeding. And do not drive past one or the other. Don't do that. And beautiful thing is we don't have people behind us. We just have to look left and right, left and right, straight, right and left, enjoying all this goodness. I cannot open window. You guys see this sexy pink? Oh, sexy. Hey, sexy. Sexy pink. Sexy pink, not sexy red. I think you guys can eat this. I don't know. But look at the flower. How gorgeous are you? Look at you. You see some coconut tree up there. You hear the bird singing. Can you guys hear the bird and the bees? It's hot in this one. This place hot. Can someone turn up the